Hello guys. Let me check if my mic is on the proper microphone. Okay, I'm sure you guys can hear me properly. With that being said, today we have a list of pairs that we want to get into. Okay, I'm gonna mention some of them, which is or are 1 minute. Let's see. USDJPY, USDJPY, EURUSD, AUD USD. Let's see. GBPJPY, EURUJPY. What else? GBP USD, and then gold, XAUUSD. If you have any other pairs you want me to do analysis on, put that in the comment section, guys. And we'll be right back in a few minutes when we have up to 100 people on the live stream. Okay. Hello, Neo. Morning or afternoon, wherever you are in. So yeah, that's what we have on our list for today. You can also add your pair. All you have to do is put the comments in the comment section of whatever pair you want analysis on. Today we have USDJPY, GBPJPY, EURUJPY, and then we have EURUSD, AUD USD, and then gold. If you have any other pairs you want added to the list, you can put that in the comment section. While we're waiting till we have at least 100 people on the live stream, and then we will begin our analysis. How was your weekend so far? How was your trading week last week? If you followed my trade, you should have made at least 500 to 600 pips in profit. Okay, so let's see how much we make this week. Hello, BK Media. Hello, Elwine. You're watching from South Africa. So yeah, I'll repeat again. On the list of pairs that we have today, we have, let's see, USD JP. No, wait, oh man. We have EURUSD, AUD USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and then gold. We're gonna wait till we have at least 100 people on the live stream. Okay. And then we'll begin to do the analysis and signals. All right, so we'll just take a quick break and then we'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, guys, we are back. We're back. We're back. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Is my voice good enough for the, what do you call it, for the music, or is the music too loud? Let me repeat again what we have today. Can you guys hear me? Let me see. Maybe there's something wrong with the mic. All right, sound is okay. All right, so where should we begin? We have on our list, where is it? Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and then Euro JPY. Last but not least, we have gold. Oof. I haven't taken any trades on gold. I missed some entries multiple times, which is really annoying. But let's begin. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Are you guys interested in some crypto content? That means we'll be giving analysis and signals on crypto, and also we have a course and a software for crypto also. Remember, crypto season might be back. I already made some profits with crypto. I've been saying this since I made a lot of profits last time. I can show you guys. You can also make a lot of profits with crypto. You don't even need a lot of money, But if you have a lot of money, you can make life-changing amounts. Okay, we have a course for that also. But yeah, let's focus on foreign exchange for now. Euro USD. Let's go to Euro USD first. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. He said, what will happen to gold? We'll talk about gold after we are done with you. We have a list. I'm sure you know the list. We'll talk about Euro, and you know how we go. We'll still talk about gold, but we have Euro USD, we have AUD USD, we have GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and now we have added to the list Euro AUD, okay, and then gold. Okay, so it's just step by step. You said FX only for me, okay. All right, that's from Twitch. Guys, you can join my Twitch also. We just started that. We have up to 5 people there. Not 5 people, 15. And yeah, let's see how this goes. All right. So you can hear me loud and clear. Hello, Jord FX Light Child. Where are you from, by the way? Where do we start from? With Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, Euro USD. Yeah. So we had an analysis on Euro USD previously, and we were looking at shorting Euro USD. Okay, let me just get the analysis on my software, because I have to put the pair on my software, and then I'll get an analysis from that very quickly. The software will be available on TradingView hopefully before the end of this week. I know I keep saying before the end of the week, but I'm almost 100% sure we can get it before the end of this week, so I can be showing it to you guys on TradingView. Okay, software helps me with everything: scalping, swinging, hedging, everything basically I need to trade. So yeah, Euro USD. Okay, so we had this. Euro USD is looking kind of bullish for now. We were bearish previously around here. We took a sell, but like a gamble. We took a sell. We're able to make like 50 pips. Okay, and remember what I always say: once you make 50 pips, lock in your profits, take some profits, and then move the rest to break even. So we did that, and the market continued to go down, and I told people to continue to take profits and move to break even during the last session we had on Friday. And but I said we needed to break this 1.0976 area. We didn't break it, and we all know what happened. After that, it then bounced all the way back. We needed to break it before the end of New York session. It then bounced all the way back, cleared that break even. But now we need to be looking for entries for a long. My only issue is that it has been in some kind of consolidation here, and that's probably because there will be NFP news this week. And if you notice, there's some kind of consolidation going on here. Okay, down here and up here. So that means the price can go up the way up here, come down here, go up here, come down here. Next thing we expect, it can go all the way up to 1.08 or 1.105 and then still drop all the way back down. So we're in some kind of consolidation. If you're taking a buy, you know, you're just trading the consolidation. So I need it to escape either this. So if it can escape the zone here below, we can look for entries. If it can escape the zone here above, we can look for entries for buys. So Euro USD for now, I would say short term, we should be looking at it going long all the way to around 1.105 to 1.108, and then maybe a drop after that. Okay, because I am not seeing it, or I'm not seeing any sign of escaping the consolidation zone yet. Hello, Nathan. Yes, gold is already on the list. Gold is already on the list. We have on our list Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, Euro JPY, Euro AUD, and then gold. Okay, so far we have done Euro USD, no solid entry so far. You said your bias is 100. What was your bias? Let us know. GBPJPY is on the list, Nathan. GBPJPY is on the list. No worries. No worries, no worries, no worries. We just started it, by the way. We just started and we've just only done Euro USD. So let's move on to the next on our list, which is AUD USD. AUD USD. Guys, I am still giving the free signals for the scalping and for the swing trades. Like I said, I am waiting till we have 100 people. 100 people need to sign up once you funded your account. For those people who have signed up and funded your account, I know already, and I know your accounts, and I know your details. Once it's ready, I'll add you to the Telegram group. So don't worry. It's just that we're waiting for more people to join in. Just 1 minute. Because I'm not going to be giving something free and then people are not participating. You know, it's just like a waste of time for me. Let's see. Yeah, so where were we? AUD USD. AUD USD. Yes, thank you, Tandy. You said short term long. You're on a short term long on Euro USD. Well, yeah, short term long. Yeah, that works. That works on Euro USD. That works. Tandy said AUD USD. Thank you, guys. Thank you for commenting, Tandy. You see, guys, Tandy is the only one who remembered. When we're doing a pair, we are supposed to make comments. Okay, it helps the channel. I'm not asking you to pay me for these free signals. I'm not asking you to pay me for this analysis. All I'm asking for is a simple comment. The more you comment, the more it helps the channel, the more viewers we have here. Okay. Normally, I do my live streams 3 times a week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, New York session. I made a poll on my YouTube and Telegram group asking if we should do it 5 days a week. And most people are saying we should do New York session. We should be doing it 5 days a week, New York session. But after the votes, I'm going to also ask for a time, because we need to know what time is best for all of us. Should we do it 8 a.m. New York session, 9 a.m. New York session, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., depends on you guys. So I'm going to set the votes, and from there, we'll keep on deciding till all of us have the best time for our live streams. Okay, so it will be once a day. But like I said, the more people we have on our live streams, the more live streams I'll do, the more following up on the trades and the analysis I will do. Okay, I'll be giving more long-term analysis. I'll be showing you the software. I'll be, analyzing your own personal trades so that I can know how to help you guys personally for free. All I'm asking for is simple comments. Comment anything. Comment the peers that were on, anything, just to help the channel grow. And yeah, Yeah, but also if you want to learn, because I won't be teaching my whole system, my scalping system, my hedging system, my swing trading system, especially my hedging system that comes with the software. I have plenty students that will be able to grow their account very easily, because when their trade goes bad, they lose nothing. When their trade goes good, they gain something. So at the end of the day, they are always compounding and growing their accounts faster than the people using stop losses. If you want to learn that, you can just go to nfxandcrypto.com and get the software also that is coming for TradingView. You say, how do we sign up? You can sign up with the link in my description. Go to morganmarkets.com and sign up. Once you sign up, you fund your account, send me a screenshot on Telegram, and I'll add you to the list of pending people that are in the group. Thank you, Nathan, for the cheese comment. Boom, 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 boom. All right, AUD USD. AUD USD, let's get to it. AUD USD, let me quickly get some analysis from my software on AUD USD. Guys, this week is going to be very tricky because there is news this week, non-farm payrolls news. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you are trading these pairs. Okay, yes, the cards. Let's see what else is on our list. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see. AUD USD is next. Let me just quickly get that AUD USD analysis. AUD USD kind of showing bullish movements, showing very strong bullish movement. Not very strong, but like good bullish movements. We could see AUD USD go all the way up to 0.666 lol. Or let's just say 0.665. Okay, before we were on a bearish move on AUD USD last week. If you took that bearish move, we dropped all the way down to about 50 something pips. Remember what I say, once you get to 50 pips, take some profits, move the rest to break even, because look what happened. It's reached this point, couldn't sustain, it's bounced all the way back. Okay, I noticed this kind of things would happen, especially during this news period. This is why I kept on telling you guys, 50 pips, take some profits, move the rest to break even, like clockwork. So you always be compounding, always be taking profits. When it comes to growing accounts, I am a master of that. When it comes to compounding, I am a master of that. Okay, because there's no way I'll be here long term if I couldn't grow my account. And I always show you guys all these things. I'm going to also start another MyFX book. You guys don't even care about the MyFX book. Last time I made 3 MyFX books, nobody really cared, but they all asked for it. It's funny. So most of the time, 90%, 90% of the time, when you guys ask for things, 90% of the time, once I give it to you guys, no, how do I put it? When you guys ask for things, once I give it to you guys, 90% of people don't take any action. It's only usually like 5% or 10% that asked for it that usually take action. Sometimes it just feels like I'm wasting my time listening to the audience, but we keep on growing and maybe some more people will take action. So yeah, now we've seen that it couldn't break this low. It started to, just like I said, started to show a bullish movement. If we couldn't break this low point of 0.66 and stay below it, it's starting to show bullish movements. We could see it go all the way, let's just say for now, to 0.6675, but I don't see it lasting long. It could break below. I wouldn't say 0.665. I would say, let's say around 0.666, right? If it cannot stay above these points, then we could see it break below. Long term, where could we see AUD USD going? If it continues to go long, we could see it go all the way to 0.675. Okay, 0.675 long term. Okay, even when I say you should comment, people don't comment, so I don't know, I don't understand you guys. Hopefully we get more people here, more people taking action, more people you're seeing the positives and utilizing it to their own advantage and to their account on the free information that I'm giving out. Yeah, you see, you looked at my FX book. I'm gonna add more. Okay, how much is my software, by the way? The software alone is going to, if I'm giving the software alone, I want it to be on TradingView, right? It's gonna be about $550 for a year. Okay, for 1 year's lease. Okay, and you'll be able to use it on TradingView on multiple pairs, crypto, foreign exchange, and so many other things. But if you get it with the course, it comes for free. Okay. So where are we on AUD? So AUD USD, do we have any entries so far? Do we have any entries so far? We could, it's possible. If we wanted to take an entry on AUD USD to be up for a long-term trade, okay, we could enter around 0.6625. 0.6625. Even 0.6225 is kind of an early entry. Where's your exit? The low of the day, 0.667. You should be going for the long-term targets. Okay. So it could be around 120 pips, 125 pips. The risk to reward ratio about 7-1. You are risking less than 20 pips, right? If for me, I would say the best entry is around 0.66. Let me see, 0.662. Okay, let's just say 0.662. 0.662. Still set your targets for here. Still look at this high, okay, because if it doesn't break it, you set your exit at the low of today, which is 0.6607. You set your entry at either 0.662, which gives you about a 9.5 to 1 ratio trade, or you can enter at 0.6625 for 6, or let's just say 7 to 1 ratio trade. So AUD USD, not bad, but the trade is only valid for today. If you can't get into this trade before the end of today, then this trade is not valid anymore. Okay, guys, remember I don't stream on Tuesday. I'll be back on Wednesday, so you have to be, very cautious and watch that trade. So what's next? And also remember, this is news period. We're seeing a lot of consolidation. This is why we need to, we still even need to break this high. There are multiple highs. We need to break this high around here. Okay, we need to break this area, 0.665 area. Okay, or we need to break the low of today. But still, there's still some kind of consolidation for me. So we're in Newsweek, NFP Newsweek, guys. Dangerous. Take the best trades to you. Take the trades with the least risk. Okay, so let's move on to GBP USD. GBP USD, guys. GBP USD was in some kind of consolidation around here, a big consolidation. Then moved this consolidation to this area. Then we were able to break out from this consolidation. I said it would go all the way to 1.27. We're able to reach 1.26, and now we're seeing some kind of pullback. So let me just go to my software for quick analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what the market has for us today. Oh, GBP USD is not looking delicious right now, guys. It's not looking delicious. There are opportunities, but they are not looking that delicious. Thank you, Tandy. Thank you, Tandy. GBP USD, thank you for the comments. Let's see. It has to do with the low of Friday. Okay, that is what is important now. All this consolidation that we had before, they don't matter anymore. They are invalid right now. Even this one here, this high, we've broken the high substantially, so it doesn't matter anymore. We're in a fresh new day, except for this point right here, the low of the previous day, which was Friday. Okay, we're having new important zones in the market. So yeah, a good entry point for long is around 1.2475. If we can get there today, guys, that would be wonderful, because the likelihood of us hitting the stop today is very low, almost 0%. Okay, almost 0% if we get our entry today. What you would have to be worried about is the next day, which is Tuesday. Okay, and the days after that. Definitely, we're not, if we get into this trade, very high likelihood that we will not hit our stops on this trade, right? At least for today. I could explain, but you need to be a student to understand why. But just trust me when I say that for today, if we get into this entry, we will not hit that stop, guaranteed. However, let's see our short-term targets. We could go all the way to 1.2625. 1.2625 for our first target, okay, which would make our trade almost a 5-to-1 ratio trade. However, you are risking like 30 pips. So this trade for today on GBP USD is just like only Monday trade. Okay, it's very valid for Monday. It's very valid for Monday. After Monday, you know, I would need to update you guys on the likelihood of this trade. This is why I said you guys should show support, make comments when we are doing these free live streams, like the video, share it. But the most important thing is comments. Okay, most important thing is comments. I would give the long-term bias of where we could go all the way up to on GBP USD, but we don't have that many comments for GBP USD. You know, I'm just gonna say it. I'm not gonna keep on pumping you guys to make comments. I'm just gonna say it. If you don't make comments, I'll give you just short-term quick trades. Let's see. You know, this is why you need the software. This is why you need the course, so that on this kind of trades, you know what to do on Tuesday, you know what to do on Wednesday, you know if you should still open the trade, if you should still keep it open, if you should still keep making profit on it, so many other things like that. But guys, crypto content is coming. I know you guys are not interested, but there's a lot of money that you guys can make on crypto. I keep on telling you guys, most people only become interested when crypto was in 4,000, 6,000. I remember, I still have those videos on this channel. I told people, people started messaging me when crypto was in 59,000 and 61,000. Don't be part, and you know, at that moment, I wasn't answering anybody because I've already made all the profits I need to make on crypto. I knew it was going to crash then. So why are you messaging me when crypto is at 60,000? Why didn't I literally give free videos? Free videos. They are still on this channel. I still have a crypto playlist. You can go watch them. Free videos. We climbed all the way to 60,000. People were just watching me take profits, make money. They didn't participate. You know, you have another opportunity again. While the market is going up, while the market is going down, you'll be able to make some profits. Making profits in crypto is not every day, is seasonal. But during those seasonal moments, you could make even from $200, $500, you could make 5 figures. You could make 6 figures very easily. But the only issue with crypto is it's seasonal. But during that seasonal moments, take advantage of it. Make a lot of money. This is a channel for making money. This is why we do live trades. This is why we do live scouts. This is why I teach my students live. We don't have time for paper trading. We do it live. Okay, we're here to make money on this channel, not just talk about how we will make money. All right, so what is next? What is next? GBP USD, kind of iffy, kind of crazy. This trade is only valid for Monday. Okay, let's move. What is next on our list? We have USDJPY, baby. I like USDJPY. USDJPY, baby. Let's go. Where's USDJPY? Let me get a quick analysis for USDJPY. USDJPY. Okay, someone says please share the background song. It's not a song that's online. I have a friend who makes music. They made it for me. They made it for me just for this channel. Someone says US oil. It's kind of late. We already started. We're already 30 minutes in. Coming earlier next time. In my Telegram group, I was making so many announcements that we're about to start. You said I will like the crypto stuff also. Yeah, crypto stuff is coming. It's not just going to be me. We're going to have other people on the panel. okay, also talking about crypto, that you can ask them questions. They will also show you their profits. I'll show you my profits that we're able to make last time, you know. So yeah, UJ, thank you, Tandy. Okay, because of Tandy, we will do long-term targets for UJ. We're able to do like a long-term bias if we're able to break this point right here. Okay, see the analysis with it, see how the markets behaved. Did 2 spikes down here, even 3, and then pushed all the way up. I said it, if it breaks this high, well, you know, it could bounce. If it couldn't break this low, it will bounce all the way up. Okay, so let's see if we can look for entries of USDJPY. Because of that long spike, you can barely find any entries. We are even if the market comes all the way down, I could say it could go all the way down to 135.28, 135.25, I mean 135.25, around here, right? But from there, I could still see it continue to go all the way long. Okay, I could still, there's no trade on USDJPY right now. Most likely it can drop. If it's not going to drop, it could keep climbing all the way to 138. Okay, if it keeps climbing, it could climb all the way to 138, right? But so far there is no trade on USDJPY. Let me see if we could take a long trade, because it might be possible to take a long trade on USDJPY. Okay, yeah, it's actually possible. So if you want to take a long trade on USDJPY, what we could do is you could enter at around 137. You're targeting 138, right? Short term, you're targeting 138. Let's see where our long-term target could be. But where would your exit be? Your exit would be, you know, it's kind of high risk. Your exit could be 136.6. Let's just say 136.6, right? No, 136.55. But it needs to break this high, right? If it doesn't break this 138, 137, then you can't enter this trade. So let's see our risk to reward ratio on this trade. Like this is kind of 2-to-1. Short-term targets 138. Long-term targets, we could see it go all the way to 140, right? You could see it go all the way to 140. Right, which is an extra, let's see, about 200 pips. Okay, see the trades I'm giving you. You don't even need to use large lot sizes. You can use a lot of small lot sizes, 0.15, 0.1, 0.2, and you'll still be making a lot of profits. Okay, the risk is usually very low unless we have risky trades like this where we're just trying to force a trade. This trade basically is just trying to force a trade, right? Instead of naturally letting a trade setup happen, we're trying to force a trade. But you'll be risking about 46 pips. Is it worth it? Me personally, unless I'm going for the long-term target, right, which is in total about, you know, $300, or I say $300, 300 pips, right? I wouldn't really take this trade. If you're going for the long-term targets, it's around 7.5-to-1 ratio trade. But you see, the exit is around 46 pips, right? Which to me is kind of high. You know, good trade, but you get what I'm saying? You know, the risk is too high for me. Maybe for you guys this is normal, but you know, high risk trade. It's in too many pips. It's only when you are desperate for a trade that you would take this kind of trades. I'm not at that stage, you know. I'm not desperate for trades, you know. So yeah, this is just my own bias on it. Look at it how you want. Let's move on to the next pair, which is GBPJPY. I remember somebody asked for GBPJPY. He said, where is the link for the Telegram group? If you check my bio on what do you call it, Twitch, you'll see it. You'll see two links, YouTube link and Telegram link. So yeah, check the link for the Telegram group, okay, there on my Twitch bio. What are your thoughts on Pipcoin? Nathan, when we have the guest for crypto, gather as many questions that you have for crypto. I'll schedule the show ahead, maybe like a few days ahead, okay, so that you know when the guest is coming. But gather, you guys, not just Nathan, you guys gather as many questions as you have on crypto, gather them and then come on the live stream, okay, once we have the crypto guest and crypto session. GJ, let's go Tandy. Let's see, Nathan, Pip just got listed on OKX. When and if it gets listed on Binance etc, I think it will rocket. I'm contemplating a small amount on it. Yeah, these are the kind of questions that you should ask the crypto guests. Just gather them and get ready. All right, GJ. Okay, you guys really want this GJ analysis. I'll give you guys the long term and the short term, don't worry, because I'm seeing a lot of comments, which is good. I caught GJ short at 172.05. Nice profit. Are you still in the trade? That's the question. You said yes, that song is good, lol. I tried to Shazam in it. It's not on Shazam or anything. It's a song that was made up just for this live stream. Got it, thanks. No worries, Jod FX. That's from Twitch. Guys, you can join my Twitch also. Where do you think would be a good place to long GBPJPY? Yeah, that is what we have to look at. Let's go and make an analysis on that. GBPJPY. All right, we're here. Let me just get quick analysis from my software so we see what's really going on. Yeah, so GJ not looking good for an entry. You know, is in the same situation with USDJPY. Obviously, we're biased on long. We were taking a sell around here, right? Remember the last time, and I told you guys to move your stops to break even after 40 pips profits. We got to over 40 pips profits. We got to about, let's see, 80 pips profits, and then, you know, the market couldn't sustain and it broke. So if you had listened to me, you should have made some profits. You should have hit break even, you would have been safe. So we just keep on accumulating profits in the market. Whether it goes good or bad, we're accumulating profits. This is the only way to compound your account. I'm showing you guys the best way to compound your account for free. I'm showing you step-by-step guide. When I was having a little amount of profits, when I was starting trading, this was how I was compounding my account very quick. One time I had 3,000, I was able to turn it to 11,000 in a month, even though I was taking some high-risk scalp trades, you know, but you know, I was able to compound it very fast. Like I said, I'm the best when it comes to compounding. I've shown that to my FX book. I've given my investors password, creating another my FX book again for you guys to see. You know, hopefully you guys take action and stop wasting time. Most of you guys are just used to people who talk, just show charts, don't even take the trades that they are showing you. I take the trades. That's why I'm always giving my bias on how I feel about the trade, even after doing my analysis. You know, because I'm taking these trades and I'm looking at it from my own point of view. If I was going to take that trade also, I'm not just putting it and telling you guys, oh, this is free analysis. I'm not risking it. You know, if your mentor is not risking anything, you know, then how can you really trust the trades that they are giving you if they are not going to lose anything? So yeah. And I don't understand how some people, you see that the person you are listening to is not taking the trades, but you are using your own money. You are risking your own money to take something another person who is telling you to take it is not risking money on, you know. Yeah, but that's what is in 99% of the Forex industry anyway. But I digress. With that being said, GBPJPY, I expect it to continue to go long, right? You could see it go all the way to 173.25 as for today, and 175 long term, right? 175.25, 170. Wait, what is it for today? 173.25 actually. For today, we could see it go all the way to 173.25, right? Up to here. Long term, we could see it go all the way to 175, right? 175. So this will help us determine risk to reward ratio, the risk that we're carrying on this trade. We could see it also even if it drops, right? It could drop all the way down to 170, 169.25 area, worst case scenario, 169.25. Let's just put it here. 169.5. All these points, they don't matter anymore. They are not valid anymore. They are gone. They don't matter. We're looking at a new week, new day. We're getting new important zones, new important points. So if we could see it, even if it dropped all the way down to 169.5, a possible bounce can still happen, okay? But if we were to get in on this trade right now, we could look for a trade. It's not going to be high risk, right? We could look for a trade around 172.2, right? Targeting 173.5, where would be our exit. The exit would be the low of today, right? So we'll be risking about 120 pips for 120 pips, 1-to-1 ratio. Even if we're looking at our long-term bias, it's still 280 pips. We're still risking 120 pips, 2.3 to 3.35-to-1 ratio. So is this a good trade? We have a good bias, we have a good analysis, we have a good idea of the direction of the market, right? But is this a trade that we should get into? Not really. The risk to reward ratio is kind of low. Yeah, but I expect GBPJPY to bounce. Today is a very tricky day. We haven't really gotten a full bias on the market on where we might see it go to, but yeah, not many good trades. GBPJPY kind of disappointing because GBPJPY can give you a lot of profits. You said yes, you are still running in profits. You said, was that on your... Okay, you were shorting. Yeah. All right. So if you are still shorting GBPJPY, you might want to take some profits, or you might want to move your stops to break even. Because if you are trying to be lucky, okay, you might get lucky. You could drop all the way to 169.5. Yeah, but the long-term bias on GBPJPY is looking more on the long side. So it can pull all the way back, maybe clear your stop loss, maybe clear your break even. So you might want to just, be on the safe side, take some profits. I don't know if you know how to take partial profits. Take some partial profits, maybe move your stops to break even. I don't know where you entered from, but just try to protect your account, or just try to, take something from the market. Okay, remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay, just curious, where are you trading from? Do you mean what platform I'm trading from, or what country? You need to be more specific on your question. I got in long GBPJPY at 165 last week, but took profits early. I'm taking my trades on MT4 if you're that curious. I'm currently in a trade right now on gold. Let me show you. I'm trying to get lucky on gold, by the way, but let me see. Not that this is like there's a reason why I'm taking a... Let me just share it to you guys so you understand what I'm saying. Boom, boom, boom. Let me share my screen. So I'm currently in about $2,000 profit, right? This is a gamble. I'm not saying you guys should copy this trade, but there's a reason why I'm taking this trade, okay, on gold, right? So I'm taking a buy. It's just short term, it's not long term. All right, it can turn into a long-term trade. I'm just taking a gamble. You don't need to copy it. So I take my trades mostly on MT4, right? So this is it. There's a reason why I'm taking this trade from here. You have to be a student. If you're a student, you understand why. But yeah, let's go back to the charts. Okay, you're asking what country. I'm currently in Europe right now. Let's see, back to the charts. I'm in Europe. I'm in the Netherlands right now. I've been exploring Europe for a while, going from Western Europe to Eastern Europe. I'm about to go to Southern Europe very soon. The Switzerlands, the Australias, and no, I said Australias, Austrias, and co. Why do you want to meet in person? You said I got in long on GBPJPY at 165 last week, but took profits early still. 4 risk to reward ratio, but it left it would have been, if you left it, it would have been 11-to-1 ratio. You see, these are the kind of good things I like seeing. So you bought at 165. Let's see, you said you bought at 165. Yeah, if you followed exactly what I said and what we're looking at, you could have made much more profit. Okay, because we looked at the long-term bias. This is why I always say take some profits, take partial profits, let the rest run. Okay, this is why I say if you really want to learn, if you really want to be independent, if you really want to be able to make profits on multiple pairs at any time, scalping, swinging, hedging with full confidence, you know, knowing what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, you just keep on getting better because you're doing the same thing instead of jumping from one system to another. You know, if you are really serious, you want to make some extra money on the side consistently till you can fully become a trader and not need to have a job, then best thing to do is get the course. Okay, learn from someone who is doing it live in both crypto and Forex. So yeah, let's see another comment. Not good in the yeah, that's I don't know. It's basically from where you're learning. If you're not consistent, if you don't have everything lined up, then at one point you have some issues and you could lose all the profits you made. You know, I've seen some people, they've stayed on the same level for months, but they are just satisfied because they are not losing their accounts. You know, oh, their account is not growing. Oh, but they've not lost their account. So what's the point? It's just time wasting. And the more time you waste, you know, the more money you lose. Also, GJ has a very nice swap rates per day. That you know, swap or this thing. It doesn't matter. That's just tiny thing. Are you making profits? Are you making serious profits? Are you progressing, or are you focused on the chicken change of swap? You know, you are losing focus. Sorry to say. Yeah, agreed. Long term is a buy. We'll take partial profit and sell, set break even. Yeah, the market at this point is still deciding. Okay, it could be a sell long term, it could be a buy long term. We're just looking at the market for where it is right now, and then once the market plays out, then we begin to form our biases along the way. This is why I want to start doing more consistent live streams Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that I can carry you guys carry you guys along as the market is deciding and making its changes step by step daily. So let's move on. What's next on our list? We have Euro JPY. You guys know I've been profiting off Euro JPY for weeks. I don't know if you've been on this live stream for a while. You guys know I've been profiting Euro JPY. I've just been taking profit and taking profit and taking profit and letting it ride. For the people who caught Euro JPY early, they've been taking profits with me also. I have a student who took JPY. He didn't listen to my live stream analysis, decided to sell, right? And eventually he was able to, let me just show you guys. Eventually he was able to turn about a $480 loss into a $1,200 and something dollar profit. I'll show you guys right now. 1 minute. I'll show you guys. Okay. So yeah, and he was able to do this because of hedging, right? I keep on saying it. You can have the best working strategy in the world, you can have everything working right, you can have the best risk to reward ratio, but you do not control the markets. The markets can decide at any point in time. Thank you for the EJ comments. The market can decide, thank you, Tandy. The market can decide to, at any point in time, change, because it is controlled. This is something that works with the economy. Okay, you don't control the market, it works with the economy. Okay, so let's go. Let me see if I can upload it here for you guys to see. Okay, I want you guys to see his results. Okay, so yeah, this was his account. Okay, on EURUSD, it had a balance of 775. It was in about a 480 pounds loss, and he listened to what I said and what I taught him, and he was able to turn it into 1,240 pounds profit. Okay, 1,240 pounds profit. From a loss, he turned it into, what is hedging? Hedging is making profit to cover your loss, right? He was able to not only cover his loss, but make profit from that trade. When it comes to compounding and growing your account, I'm the master of it. Even if your trade goes bad, right, there are still ways. I repeat, there are still ways for you to turn a losing trade into a profitable trade, and that is by hedging. And I'm not talking about some dumb martingale's hedging style. I'm talking about real hedging, knowing exactly when to buy, knowing exactly when to sell, knowing where and when to sell or buy, and knowing what lot sizes to use. Instead of guessing, oh, the market went up a little bit, I buy, the market went down a little bit, I sell, and just using random lot sizes. When you know how to do this properly, your life will change. So yeah, let's get back to EJ. EURUSD JPY, EURUSD. Let's see, EURUSD JPY, GBPJPY, USDJPY, they're all kind of the same boats, you know. So if you're taking all those USD trades or JPY trades, I would advise take one of each. Do not take the two, right? Take either a USD trade or JPY trade. Do not take GBPJPY, EURUSDJPY, USDJPY. They all have the same kind of bias. Just take the one with the best entry, best exits to you, and focus on it. All right, so let me quickly put this on my software, EURUSDJPY. Let's see what we can get from this, from the market. EURUSDJPY, like I said, same kind of setup. We could see EURUSDJPY go all the way to today for short-term bias 152, right? Still climbing. Guys, I've been making profit of EURUSDJPY from since around 144. Okay, yeah, let's get back to it. We could see it go all the way to 152. 152. I remember when I started this channel and I was doing only scalp trades, people were saying, oh, don't you take swing trades, don't you take swing trades, all you do is scalp. Now I've been taking mostly swing trades, and some people say, oh, don't you take scalp trades, don't you take scalp trades, all you do is swing. You can't really satisfy people. And the funny thing is, I have more scalp videos on this channel. I have almost 800 videos, and I would say 60 to 70% of my videos are scalping videos, right? But you know, yeah, let's see, where we EURUSDJPY, same kind of bias with that I did with what do you call it, USDJPY and GBPJPY. We could see it go all the way to 150. Exit would be the low of today. Risk to reward ratio not that great, you know, not that great. Long-term targets, we could see it go all the way to 153.5. Even at that, do we have a good long-term target? 153.5. Any good entry for 250 or 260 pips, 3-to-1 ratio? EURUSDJPY not really looking, it's not looking that good, guys. You know, the best in the JPY pairs I saw was USDJPY. We're not risking that much. GBPJPY, we're risking about 120 pips. Yeah, we're risking about 90 pips. Not that great, guys, not that great. I wouldn't really count on it. Let's just focus on the bias on EURUSDJPY for now. We're still long, right? Even if it drops, right, it could drop all the way down to, because if it wants to take out traders, right, if it wants to take out traders, too many people are buying, right, it wants to take out traders, take out their stop losses so that they stop buying. We could see it go all the way down to, because the market will not let everybody win, duh. It needs to shake up the market so people may change their biases. We could see it drop all the way to 149, right, and possibly still make a bounce from there up, right? Yeah, but no entry so far. No really solid entry so far. The bias is just bullish for now. We need the market to shake up. We need it to break, you know, 151 or just do something. Today is Monday. Nothing has really happened. We still have this car from Friday. Yeah, let's see. Let's move on quickly to Euro AUD. I know someone asked specifically for Euro AUD. Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Yeah, Euro AUD. Let's see what can the market give us for Euro AUD. Euro. Euro AUD. You said I'm currently on a 100k funding program challenge at 103k. So far 110k, 110k is the target. Yeah, you can do your funding, but I usually look, if I were to sit down with you and do the maths and tell you why funding is bad, then you will understand. But it's gonna take a while. In the long run, it is better for you to have your own account, even if it's $100, even if it's $200. In the long run, it is better for you to have your own account and trade this real money, your small money yourself. These funding programs are not designed for you to succeed. The leverages are not designed for you to succeed. The lot size that they limit you is not designed for you to succeed. You are not trading a 100k account. You are trading about $1,000 or a $900 account if you actually do the maths. Okay, the way they set up the account and they limit you with leverages and everything, you are trading $900 to $1,000 account, and they are making you pass 1 or 2 tests before you can actually now start making profit out of it. By that time, how much would you have paid them per month to get that $900 to $1,000 account? They are even giving you 10 to 1 leverage on a $100,000 account. 10 to 1 leverage gives you how much buying power? Use that. Just think about that. Think about it and calculate it in your own home, right? You are paying hundreds of dollars, $200 monthly just to have access to a $900 to $1,000 account. If you want to do it, then do it, no problem. Later on, you know, with time, you understand. Most people don't learn unless they learn from their mistakes. So, like I always say, some people say my course is expensive, but the price of failure is more expensive. Some people have spent 10,000, they've lost 10 times the money for learning. They've lost 20 times the money for learning before they actually came to learn. Okay, you can test, you can do all you want. You are paying the market eventually. You're either paying someone to learn or you are paying the market. I can't sit down here and start breaking it down for you. There's always, there's nothing that will teach people more than lessons. You say, yes, but I agree, your own account is better long term. Using it to generate income. Your own account is limitless. You have your own rules. You don't need to pass. If you actually know what you're doing, you can turn a $200 account into 600 in a month, into 800 in a month. I have students that can show you their MyFX book. They turn 400 to 2000 in a month. Okay, and they have my FX books to show for this. So in fact, let me even show you. I'll show just 1 minute. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll show you, because I don't just like talking. I like to show you also. So this is where is it? This is a video from a student that I taught. He met me in person during the COVID period, right? And he came to learn in person. So I taught him while he met me in person. We did some live trades, we did some live scalps. He was able to get the software. Okay. So the video is still uploading. I'll show you what I mean. But with that being said, while we're waiting, let me just quickly set up the charts for Euro AUD 165, 1.65, 1.65. Okay, now where were we? This is a video of a student with his MyFX book.
Hello, Mr. Solomon. I hope you're good. This is just to show you my results since I start a new account on June 22 to 21 of June, and this is my results. 15% in 10 days, then 56 in July, 43 in August, 81 in September. I made a mistake in October, so I just make 8%, and actually in November I'm 24. So look at that. 537% of gain. I go from 450 to 2000. Okay, and this is I made the mistake here, but look at that. This is very good, and this is like you said, consistency. I will show you the trading. You look at this. 24 this month, and look at that. So I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
So yeah, that's what I mean. All right, let's focus on Euro AUD, and then we can go to gold. Where are we? Because we need to end this live stream quick. I need to go see my dentist. And yeah, Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Oof, there's a possibility for taking a buy on Euro AUD that could kind of be low risk. Okay. We could exit around 1.6525, right? 1.6525. It's possible to take a buy even right now. Exit at 1.653, right? You could target all the way to 1.68, right? 1.68 as your first target, right? For long. Right, long term, and this is just short term, right? Long term, we could see Euro AUD go all the way to 1.685. Okay, we could still see it go all the way to 1.685. This is about a 4.2 to 1 ratio trade. However, you are risking about 50 pips, okay, to gain about 220 pips. You know, today we have so many trades that, you know, we're just risking so much. Maybe because it's Monday. You know, maybe because it's Monday. So Euro AUD, you know, confidence level is low on it because it's Monday. The market hasn't really started moving properly. But it's possible to take a buy. It's possible to take a buy. If you take a buy, I would want to see it break 1.665. If it cannot break 1.665, remember guys, if you enter a substantial amount of profits, 40 pips, 50 pips, take profits, move the rest to break even. If it cannot break 1.665 before the end of New York session, then you know this trade is invalid. We could see it drop all the way down. So yeah, last but not least, let's move on to gold. Gold, 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 go gold, gold, go gold. Gold, we are still battling in this zone, guys. We are still battling in this zone. We were able to take multiple sells here, sells here, sells here, sells here. We've been taking sells, making so much profits. Market came to 1993 again and dropped. So two things may be happening, right? Two things may be happening. Either this consolidation zone has moved down to this area here around 1993, and the consolidation zone is now between 1975 and 1993, right? Let's see. How many guys? Yeah, but I still don't see any trades here. We will need to, you see, if it comes back here, buy. If it comes up here, sell. There's nothing really happening we've been in this consolidation for how many days now, which is really annoying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What I'm thinking is this is almost 2 weeks of consolidation. What I'm thinking is waiting for NFP to come. If it gets to this 2000, 2005 areas again, guys, just sell all the way down to 1975. If it's able to finally break 1975, we still have our long target of 1955. We could make 500 pips from this trade, 450 to 500 pips from this trade. Okay, gets to 2000, gets to 2005, sell again. Set your exit at the highs of 2010, like we've been doing since. Okay, set your exit at the highs of 2010, like we've been doing since. So the same analysis on gold. I'm not going to miss this sell entry also. So it's the same thing, guys. If you've been doing exactly what I've been saying on gold, you should have been making at least 250 pips every week since this has started happening. Because every time it got there, I've always told you guys, sell all the way down to 1975. And I'm repeating the same thing again. It gets to this zone again, sell all the way down to 1975. This is just free 250 pips that we can keep doing till the market finally breaks that zone. Okay, which is going to happen probably on Friday with NFP. It may even happen from Wednesday, right? If the market has a setup, it's trying to set up traders, it might break out and just continue to go in one direction because it's trying to trap traders for NFP. So guys, same analysis, same bias I've had on gold, same way to make profits. You think by 1976, yeah, because I took a buy. You see, I showed you my buy, right? I just couldn't take it anymore because it's a consolidation. So I took buys from here because of the consolidation. If the market is just going to keep on doing this, I might as well just be making profits from doing that. And I'm up over $2,000, just from today. So if the market is going to keep on doing this, if it's been doing it for 11 days, what do you want me to do? Sit down and not take advantage of it? I know how to exit. I know how to hedge. If anything bad happens, I hedge out my trade. But I'm not just going to sit down and just let the profits keep on going away from my hand. If it goes up, I exit my trades, look for sales, making profits till we exit this zone. We've been on this same zone for 11 days, and I'm not even counting the weekend. So it's probably even been more than 2 weeks. Yeah, I already went long. I showed you guys my account. I already went long. Yeah, you can set your exits at around there, right? When you get there again, you short also, till we escape this zone. Once we escape this zone, then we'll be able to look for proper entries. We'll be able to look for long-term entries for buys and sells, right? So that we can, start clocking in those 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 pips trades, on gold, because I miss them. I used to make a lot of profits from those gold trades. So yeah, let's see how the market goes. Like, share, and subscribe till we meet next time. And yeah, if you have any last minute questions, let me know. We have at least 15 seconds till I end the stream. And then yeah, any last minute questions? All right, so till we meet on Wednesday again. Maybe starting from next week, I'll start doing live streams every single day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. By then, we would have decided what times we wanted. And till next time, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead.